Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today I'm actually super excited because we've got in our office the EOS R. This is Canon's first full frame mirrorless camera. It's got a 30 megapixel sensor, a redesigned mount. There's a bunch of exciting things happening, but before we get into the specs, let's first just go ahead and unbox thing. Now, as you may notice, the seals are already broken. Unfortunately, I got a little carried away and cut the seals open before doing the unboxing. So this is a brand new unit which comes with the user manual, a warranty card, and some promotional material. There's a standard charger which is used to charge the battery of the EOS R, and interestingly, this is the same LPE6N battery that's found in Canon's full frame DSLR cameras. So it's nice to see that they've maintained the battery as the standard one. Then there is also now this is a very interesting cable and mount arrangement. This is essentially used to basically, when you've attached cables to the side of the camera, this bracket holds all those cables in place. And then of course this is a USB Type-C cable at both ends to allow for data transfer, to allow maybe the video stream out, etc. So this bracket, if you're a filmmaker, you may be familiar with it. This is very essential to making sure that none of your cables get accidentally yanked out. So that's another thing to be happy about. This is just a standard power cable for the charger. Then now this is the EOS R kit, which means there's also a lens in here. It's the 24-105 f4 IS USM kit lens. This is with the RF mount, and in that regard, this is a pouch, a soft suede pouch for the lens. You've got the lens hood right here, a strap for the camera. Now this is very interesting. There's been a lot of talk about Canon's straps. You know, when most manufacturers typically with their high-end cameras tend to give nicer straps, but with Canon it's very interesting because you get the same strap regardless of the camera you buy, and the only thing that really changes is the branding on it. So there's that. And then finally, let's take a look at the two main pieces of this box. Now this is the 24-105 RF mount lens. The 24-105 is a focal length that is much loved. It's one of the most popular lenses by Canon. In fact, it's one of the most popular lenses being sold anywhere on any system. This is a very versatile focal length range. This particular lens is an f4 fixed aperture, and let's just quickly take a look at the mount. The back side, this is the mount of this lens, and this is not the EF. This is not the EF mount. This is the RF mount. So Canon had to redesign the mount completely in order to create a full frame mirrorless camera. So now let's take a look at the camera itself. I hope there's a lens cap and a body cap included. So this is the EOS R. Practically the size of their entry-level DSLR, the EOS 1300D, and super light. This is about 530 grams in total. This is of course without the battery, without a lens attached, and once those are attached, then the weight goes up depending on what lens you're using. And over here you've got an LCD display. This is the mode dial over here. Is also used to control the shutter speed. There's the dial over here for aperture, and a very cleverly placed record button. Super convenient to just kind of take into video mode instantly. There's a shutter button here. There's also an on-off dial. Typically Canon uses a switch, but this time they've used a different design philosophy, and there is a switch instead, which is actually pretty difficult to move around, which means you will not accidentally be switching the camera off if it's hanging against your shoulder and it just rubs against your leg or something. And then this is a fully articulated display which supports touch. It's a touch screen, and you can basically do a lot of things with it. Follow focus, you can do tap to focus. It's got a touch enabled shutter. So right now there's no battery in this. The battery is also probably going to be dead. Thank you guys for watching.